In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix critical security alert on Google account 5 minutes. If you've received a critical security alert from Google, the most important thing to do is review which devices have access to your account and remove anything that shouldn't be there. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can lock things down quickly and confidently. Start by opening a browser and going to myaccount.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use the Google account that showed the alert. Double check you're in the correct account by looking at the profile icon in the top right. If you manage multiple accounts, switch to the one you want to secure. You'll land on your account dashboard, which is the control center for your security settings. Next, open the security section. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled security or security and sign in. This area contains your alerts, recent activity, and device access. Take a breath here. Everything you need to address the alert lives in this page. Now scroll to find your devices. This shows where your account is currently signed in. Click manage all devices to see the full list. You'll see entries for phones, laptops, tablets, and any other places you've used your Google account, along with details like the device type, location, and last active time. Carefully review the list and remove anything you don't recognize. Look for clues, a device you don't own, a city you haven't visited, or activity at odd hours. Keep in mind that travel, VPNs, or a device with an old name can make familiar devices look unfamiliar, so use your best judgment. If you're unsure, it's safer to remove and sign back in later on the devices you trust. To remove access, click the device you want to investigate. This opens a page with more details so you can confirm whether it's yours. When you're confident it's not recognized, click sign out, confirm if prompted. Signing out immediately disconnects that device from your Google account so it won't have access to your Gmail, Drive, or other services until someone signs in again. Repeat this for every device that looks suspicious or unnecessary. Once you've finished, return to the devices list and make sure only trusted devices remain. This action typically resolves the critical security alert because you've revoked access wherever it didn't belong. Give it a moment for changes to sync and you're done. That's it, quick, focused, and effective. Thanks for watching and take care of your account.